What excites you about robotics' future? What if I told you that the Tesla robot Optimus, created by the business known for its electric cars, will permanently alter the humanoid robot market? Although a lot of people are dubious about this decision, tech-focused YouTuber Dave Lee thinks the Optimus robot should be given a chance and has some exciting things in store for us Tesla enthusiasts who are prepared to. Wait, this video will discuss Elon Musk's successful track record of starting several businesses, Tesla's performance, and Dave's opinions on the possible market for Optimus. We'll also talk about the difficulties Tesla has had in the past and how it overcame them to take the lead in the market for electric vehicles. Come along as we investigate the potential applications of the Tesla Optimus robot and how it might completely alter our perception of robotics. Let's get this video started, so take a seat back, unwind, and click the like and subscribe buttons. Technology-related subjects are covered by YouTuber Dave Lee on his channel. He offers opinions, news, and reviews on a variety of tech-related goods and services, such as game consoles, laptops, cell phones, and other devices. With more than 1 million followers, Dave Lee's channel is well known for its thorough and educational material. We'll now discuss his opinions on the Tesla robot. In one of his movies, Dave Lee is shown having just returned from Tesla AI Day, where he had a great time attending. When the Optimus prototype was revealed, he saw that different individuals had different reactions to it. Some thought it was garbage, while others thought it would take over the world. Dave thinks that Tesla's Optimus robot should be given some leeway because it has a vast potential market, a solid track record, and Elon Musk has successfully founded many companies. He also thinks that it's easy to misinterpret something that's so early in development. Speaking with some of the engineers leading the teams at the event, he got the sense that Tesla was still in the early phases of developing Optimus and that these were tiny, rapidly expanding teams. In the smallest amount of time, the goal is to build something valuable and learn a lot in the process. The product market fit is likely to be another important factor for the Optimus robot. Tesla is putting a lot of money into building the greatest teams, infrastructure, knowledge, processing power, and training to succeed in real-world AI. Tesla's brains are AI. Last but not least, they have the perfect marketing plan. They will target the market with an accessible, practical robot first, maybe making use of its factories before making its way to the customer's house. According to Dave, Tesla has the opportunity to completely redefine actuators and the concept of a robot body. He also feels that the market for robotics and AI robots is open to them. The crucial question is, however, will this idea be a huge success for the business? Musk asserts that humanoid robots will transcend the concept of an economy and that Tesla will become the world's largest company, despite criticism from skeptics of the project. Optimus, Tesla's humanoid robot, has the potential to become one of the biggest and richest goods in history. Although the robot's original purpose was to carry out hazardous, tedious, or repetitive jobs, its talents and abilities are positioned to expand its utility across numerous global markets. Elon Musk has multiple options to make Optimus a successful company. Tesla may offer robots or fleets that are based on services, or it may sell the hardware. On the other hand, those who buy the Tesla bot directly will probably have access to a huge app shop that is far larger than any app store that exists today. In a couple of seconds, any software might download and offer incredibly helpful features that impact physical space, such as building a house, studying kung fu, or even just going grocery shopping. The most creative investors are those who are prepared to follow Elon Musk, sharing the thrill of taking something that has only been seen in science fiction and turning it into reality, even in the face of skepticism over the Tesla Optimus robot. The world is changing at a rate never seen before, bringing with it previously unimaginable opportunities and technological advancements. In the future, Optimus will be on level with human capability, and the value of each app may possibly be as much as a career, just as people currently spend a few dollars to download an app to their phones. This implies that depending on how beneficial they are in the actual world, apps could fetch thousands or even tens of thousands of dollars for sale. Optimus is going to completely change the way we perceive robots. It will be delivered with its operating system, which includes the ability to move and communicate with others, but over time, users will pay to upgrade their bot's functionality and level of sophistication. Consequently, the only thing stopping Optimus is our creativity. The way investors value companies appears to be seriously flawed despite its potential. For instance, Tesla's valuation is based only on its car business, despite CEO Elon Musk's repeated claims that the company's energy segment, which is currently a very real business, will someday match the size of the automotive division. Optimus is obviously out of the question since, regrettably, it's either not clear enough or not a big enough firm now for people to add it to their financial modeling or projections. The present value of a company's future cash flows, however, determines its value. This entails projecting future earnings for the business and discounting it to the current. This is an intriguing idea that Tesla's automotive division can easily implement. If Tesla sells 20 million vehicles annually at a profit margin of about $10,000 per vehicle by 2030, the Company will have made $200 billion. We can apply a 20 times earnings multiple to this, which makes sense considering that big tech businesses currently have multiples of that magnitude. Accordingly, Tesla's valuation would reach $4 trillion by 2030. If they manage to reach these totals, still 7 years separate us from 2030 and this year, 2023. For something that will be worth $4 trillion in 2030, investors will not pay $4 trillion today. They demand a repayment of some kind. Therefore, Tesla's automotive industry would still need to be discounted to the present. Rewinding this 7 years to the present and assuming a 15% compound annual growth rate gives us an estimate of almost $1.5 trillion, which, if our calculations are accurate, is the price investors should pay for simply Tesla's automotive division. Naturally, a lot may happen in 7 years, and investors might not think Tesla can turn a $10,000 profit on each car by 2030. However, as Tesla is presently trading at almost $600 billion in market capitalization, investors may not agree with all or even most of the conditions given. Nevertheless, buying a Tesla may demand some degree of creativity about what may be quite conceivable. If it becomes increasingly clear that Tesla can achieve these absurd numbers, then this might alter. Here is an estimate of the possible revenue that Tesla may make in 2030 from selling 2 million Optimus bots, assuming all the scenarios listed components. $30,001 in revenue per unit. $60 billion was made from the sale of 2 million units, $15,000. This is the profit per unit, assuming a 50% profit margin per unit. $30 billion would be the total profit from selling 2 million units. The Optimus bot company alone may have a market capitalization of almost $1.2 trillion if we multiply these earnings by 40. By 2023, Tesla might sell up to 5 million Optimus units. Zero, with the first 2 million going towards improving the robot's quality and boosting output. The range and caliber of Optimus's applications rise along with the advancement of AI technology and the emergence of fresh concepts. Sales in the App Store expand exponentially as a result, and the P ratio decreases annually. Furthermore, the App Store alone might be worth $3 trillion in 2030 if Tesla produces $3 billion in profit on a 1,000-fold multiple. The Optimus product alone might be worth about $1.6 trillion today when paired with Tesla's earlier hardware estimate of $450 billion. Investors may not have taken this value into consideration, even though it is 3 times higher than Tesla's current market valuation. Elon Musk gave the corporation the go-ahead to start developing the Tesla bot in the middle of 2021, and by 2022, the crude robot could already move boxes and lift goods in their factories. 7 years from now, there will still be exponential growth possible, and Tesla has all the parts needed to make this happen, but investors aren't accounting for the potential value of the Tesla bot, which might see a sharp increase in value once Tesla shows off its real earning potential. All things considered, Tesla's valuation may soon reach previously unheard of heights due to the company's potential earnings from the Optimus robot and App Store, as well as the exponential growth potential of the Tesla bot. That's all there is to it, people. Technology enthusiast and YouTuber Dave Lee thinks Tesla's Optimus robot might completely change the robotics market. Do you concur with Dave's assessment? Tell us in the space provided for comments below. We appreciate your time, and remember to subscribe to Wall Street Gains for more thought-provoking articles on tech-related subjects.